G'day everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to claim an airdrop safely, what you're getting, and how not to get trapped by fake sites. There's an airdrop campaign live with a limited claim window. If you use the ecosystem early, testnet, bridge, liquidity, or other on-chain actions, your wallet might be eligible.
All of this is part of a broader BestWallet campaign built around the $BEST token and its mobile-first, non-custodial wallet that supports 1,000 plus assets across dozens of blockchains.
The main thing isn't free money, it's claiming only through the official interface with the correct wallet on the correct network. So let's go straight to the steps. Connecting your wallet is simple. Follow the link in the description or pinned comment and check the domain. Pick your wallet from the list, click it, approve the connection, and make sure the network matches what the airdrop page requires. Once connected, you'll see the airdrop dashboard. If your address is eligible, your allocation will show up there. Here's how the claim works. If you qualify, you'll see a claim button with your amount. Click claim, review the transaction in your wallet, gas fee, contract address, network, then confirm. When the transaction is confirmed on-chain, the tokens appear in your wallet. Some airdrops use vesting or partial unlocks. You might get part now and the rest over time. Always quickly read the terms on the page so you're not surprised by a schedule or lockup. If you don't see an allocation, don't panic and don't start connecting a bunch of random wallets to every checker site you find on X or Telegram. Most legit airdrops publish clear eligibility rules and a single official checker. If your address isn't eligible this time, it's better to accept it than to chase every shady appeal form or manual review link. That's how people get phished. A core safety rule: you're claiming from your own wallet. You're just authorizing a contract to release tokens already assigned to your address. You should never type your seed phrase or private key anywhere. If a site asks for it, that's a scam. Close it. After claiming, make sure you add the tokens contract to your wallet so the balance displays correctly, and double check that the contract address matches the one from official channels. Why do projects launch airdrops? Usually to reward early users, spread token ownership, and kickstart activity in the ecosystem.
In this case, BestWallet uses its $BEST airdrop and rewards to onboard new users into its wallet app, grow usage of its DeFi and pre-sale features, and distribute the token to the community instead of only early investors.
Instead of only rewarding private investors, a portion goes to people who actually used the product and took early risk. But not every wallet will qualify, and obvious farming patterns can be filtered out. Quick note on risk: even if you didn't buy the tokens, they're still risky assets. Prices can move hard in both directions, claiming may have tax consequences, and there are no guarantees of future value. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research and only interact with contracts and sites you trust. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's unsure how to claim their airdrop safely. Comment airdrop claimed if you got yours, and say whether you're holding, selling, or using it in DeFi. As always in crypto, stay cautious, stay curious, and stay safe.